lipstick, nothing too crazy, but without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start. So you ready? All right, so I'm all yours. Okay. Okay, we're doing the mascara first, y'all. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, y'all. So we did the mascara, y'all. No, you should do that one last. Do the eyes first. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes.
Wait, what's...
foundation. I don't think we really need this.
What's this one?
That's to put all over my face. But we
Makeup?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a mask.
Yeah. Okay,
So get the little brushes and do my eyes. Let's see how good he did with this. Here we go.
Wait, your eyes?
Yeah. Okay.
It looks the same color as your eyes.
So you can get a different color.
Okay. So I could get green or something?
Whatever color you want.
Okay. But don't be like this in the lip.
Let's make it beautiful. We're gonna make fall colors. This is gonna be a fall makeup tutorial, guys. Okay.
The green is a little good.
Okay. You can put as many
Well,
colors
I
as...
don't really see the green.
Okay.
So let me,
You can put as many colors as you want. And then we have that one too.
Wait, let me use this one. This might come out perfect. Yeah.
Okay. We got this. Okay. And notice I can't see myself, guys, because I don't have my handy dandy shades on.
Well, I can add another color of this.
Okay.
Make it pretty. Make me beautiful, Bill. Make me beautiful. Make me up. We getting that fall makeup tutorial going.
When you think of fall, what colors you think of?
This is gonna be great.
Okay. I
Wait,
trust
did I
you.
do this one already? Oh wait, yeah, I did. Okay, so I did that already.
This is exciting.
I did that one already. So wait, but this is still good, right? It's not gonna do nothing.
You have
right?
to wash that.
Okay, this came out. But yeah, this is crazy. And I don't know how to do stuff. And, wait.
Not on my eyes
Wait,
though.
so where should I put it?
That
On the cheeks?
That goes like on my head, my nose.
Okay, I'll put it on your head. So you ever put this on your head before?
I put it all over my face. It's supposed to like look nice.
It should be. This is gonna look a little cool, a little bit. Oh, it got on your eyebrow a little bit. But yeah, it's good. But this is good. I know what I'm not doing. I'm a perfection officer.
Yo, what?
I'm a perfection officer. I know what I'm doing. Okay, so.
How's it look, guys? Okay. Did you finish the eyes or you need more?
Wait, eyes have.
Are they popping?
I don't really see the eyes. I'll try the big brush.
No, you're gonna use a different
Oh yeah, but what's this one for? Wait, let me see. What's this one for?
That was for my cheeks.
Cheeks?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, use the big brush for that.
Okay.
Now he about to put the blush on, yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. You might look a little calm in that. Yeah. Because it's smooth. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the last one.
The eyes? So you're gonna fix the eyes, or the eyes are good?
Yeah, the eyes are good. Oops.
They popping?
Yeah.
They bright?
Yeah. Well, I don't see the eyes.
So then fix them.
Yeah, they just look like the same thing.
They look better? They look better.
No, they just look little.
So try a different
They
color.
look.
Try some red or something.
Okay.
I want fall colors. I have no idea how this looks, you guys, because like I said, I can't see.
Wait, what? What you talking about?
I said I can't see. Oh, that's for my eyeliner.
Eyeliner, what that mean?
I mean, she's like, what that be? You just take it and you line my eyes. You want to do it?
Like foot, like.
Drawing. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Just be careful that you don't break it.
Okay, wait, good. I don't really see it, but okay. I don't really see it. Okay. I don't know why you turned off the TV.
So that we could hear good.
Yeah, but I wanted to see. You don't have to turn it.
In a
You
minute.
don't have to
In a
turn
minute,
it
we
off.
do it.
Just put it on mute.
Okay.
And then put it on
Well,
mute.
you focus. Okay. So let's just fix the rest of the eye.
Put it on.
Let's just fix the eye and then put on my lipstick, and I think we're good.
So.
You gonna put more on the eyes?
Wait, so okay. Wait, the cheeks, cheeky puppies. Wait. Okay, good. Okay, the cheeks look beautiful.
Okay. So the cheeks look beautiful, guys.
Yeah, but the thing on your head.
All right, let's do the last parts and that's it. That one's like a nice fall color, right? Open it up. So my eyes are good?
Huh?
My eyes are good?
Yeah, they look good.
Okay. Don't put it so high because it might break. Put it down a little bit. Like that.
Okay.
Lipstick time.
Don't be like, oh, what did you do to my face? And, wait, I got it.
Okay.
Okay. It looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
And it smells cherry. That's it?
All done?
Oh, wait. Is that all done to myself? Yes, it's all done. Wait. All done.
Okay, let me see how this looks. Okay. Guys, what do you think? Did he do a good job? Yeah, so my son did my makeup. I actually let him do it. How does mommy look? How do I look?
On the head, you look ugly. But on the rest of the part with the lipstick and the eyebrows, the eyes, yeah, you look beautiful.
Okay. Alright guys, so he said my
I don't know why I put that thing on you.
my head looks ugly, but the rest of me looks good. Okay, would I be good to go to school with you like this?
No. Only the eyes and the...
I'm gonna take you to school like this on Monday.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
I don't know what you're thinking. Unless you want me to do it again, but not use that.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Wait,
And
does that stuff come off?
no. I'm gonna be like this forever.
No, you're not. Stop lying.
Nah, it could come up. We're gonna wash it off in a minute when we turn this off.
You don't have to wash the lipstick in the eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna
they'll
keep
be-
it on. As always, be sure to stay fabulous, live
Don't
free,
put
and
yourself
soar limitless.
Don't put yourself
See
on.
ya.